Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to just do a really quick short video because I picked up some more Profusion makeup kits, eyeshadow kits and things like that, and I just wanted to kind of share them with you so you can see what I got, and also if you are curious about what Profusion has on their website, some of the things that maybe you can purchase, maybe a couple of these kits might interest you. So the first one that I have here is this Mixed Metals Eyes and Lips kit, and I actually purchased one of these kits around the holidays, like around Christmas time, when I first found the Profusion display at Target. I got the mixed metals ones when I got the gold one, and I got a silver one. But this one I found actually in the store as well, and this one is the mixed metals peach. So this one really caught my eye, really caught my attention because I thought it was so pretty. And this one, it comes with a lip liner, an eyeshadow brush, as well as a lipstick. And it comes with this really pretty 9 eyeshadow palette. So as you can see here, it has kind of like the peach theme to it. Some nice warm tones in here for these eyeshadows. Sorry about the glare. Hopefully you can see those. But there's some warm peachy tones and gold tones, and there's a mix in here of shimmer shadows as well as matte shadows. And as you can see, as always, there's a nice little mirror in here with this palette as well. Now I picked up this whole kit at Target for $9.99. So I mean, that is like really not bad. And they always have on the back these nice little, you know, instructions for someone who maybe is not too sure how to apply eyeshadow, and also how to use their lip kit. And with Profusion, they're cruelty free. So if you care about that, you know, having cruelty free products, Profusion definitely has cruelty free products for you to use. So that is the first one, this nice Mixed Metals Profusion Cosmetics Peach Kit. And as far as the lip liner and lipstick, as well as the eyeshadow, I can really vouch for Profusion eyeshadows and lipsticks. I'm actually wearing Profusion today, so I have Profusion eyeshadows on my eyes, as well as I'm wearing one of their nice lipsticks and lip liners. So I actually really love their products. The eyeshadow that I'm wearing today actually came from their Sultry palette, and I love this palette. It has some really nice colors. It's beautiful. It comes with an eyeshadow brush, which is not in here because I've already used it. But I really love these eyeshadows. They're nice and buttery and very pigmented, and there's a very nice shade range in here. Now this eyeshadow palette I purchased around the holidays as well, and I only paid $9.99 for this, and I absolutely love it. So the next kit that I have is this Beauty Treasure box, and this is a 40-piece complete beauty collection kit. So this is a nice big beauty box. I think it's great for a starter or beginner in makeup. And this is what this box looks like. I'll try not to blind you with the mirror. As you can see, there's a mirror here. So if you did take this kit to travel with, you'll have a nice mirror inside as well. But this is what this kit looks like. Now in this kit, as you can see, you get some very nice eyeshadow shades. It has like a nice warm earthy tone to it, but there's also some nice smoky shadows in here that you can use as well, your purples and greens. It also comes with a very nice black eyeliner pencil, as well as it comes with a eyeshadow brush. And down here below, there is a blush, some contour, and there's also some highlight in here. So sorry about the glare. You know what, let me just take this plastic off right quick. And let's see here, on this plastic, are these names? Oh, okay. So on this plastic sheet, there's actually names. So if you want to keep this plastic covering to protect your eyeshadows, you'll have the names to your shadows on here. But this is what it looks like without the plastic shining in your face. So like I said, as you can see, there's some really pretty colors in here for eyeshadows. You get your black eyeliner, your eyeshadow brush. You also get highlighter, blush, as well as contour shades. Of course, these contour shades would not work for me. I am a little too brown and caramel-licious for these contour shades. But I think this is great for someone who might be starting out, or if you're looking for a travel makeup kit that you can take with you. It's not that small, so this will take up some space in your suitcase. But you know, if you don't mind wrapping it up and throwing it in your suitcase or throwing it in your carry-on, actually not your suitcase, it'd probably get beat up, but throwing it in your carry-on, I think this would be something that is nice to travel with. The mirror is a very nice touch to this beauty box kit. And this beauty treasure box comes to $13. This was only $13 on the Profusion website, so that is not a bad price for all of these eyeshadows, blush, highlight, eyeliner, pencil, and the eyeliner works nice as well. I do love my Profusion eyeliner and an eyeshadow brush, so I think that's a really great deal. Okay, the last item that I want to share with you guys is this Profusion, and it's called the Flawless Luxe Eye Palette. So this is what this one looks like. It kind of looks like a nice little storybook. They're all made out of cardboard, and you know, it's just like a nice hard cardboard frame. But with this Profusion Flawless Luxe Eye Palette, you get quite a few items in here, and as you can see, this one has a much larger range of colors to choose from in this kit. Don't want to drop it. So you get more of your bright blues, greens, pinks, but you still get your range of nice warm shades and transition shades. And in this kit, you do get a lot of shimmers as well as mattes, just like in the other kits. This one I really like. Let me go ahead and open this up. So in this kit, as you can see, you get some extra goodies in here. You get 3 eyeshadow brushes as well as 5 different eyeliner pencils. And you get some colored ones in here. There's a blue one, there's like a rose gold, a silver, a black, and there's another shade in here. I can't tell what it is. But you get some eyeliner pencils as well as brushes. You also get an eyebrow pencil, you get a mascara, and you also get a sharpener in here. Now, of course, as always with Profusion, you get a little instruction kit here as far as how to put your eyeshadow on if you need that. And when you lift this up, there is a very nice size mirror in here. I don't want to turn it because I don't want to blind you, but you get a very nice size mirror in this kit, and I love that because this is an excellent kit for travel. Excellent for travel. You get your eyeliners, your eyebrow pencil, your eyeliners, your eyeshadow brushes, a nice mirror, as well as all of these lovely eyeshadow colors, which are absolutely gorgeous. So that is this kit, which I really love, and I can't wait to try it out. Like I said, I am not concerned about these eyeshadows and whether or not they're going to perform and have pigment, because I've used Profusion eyeshadows before and they work great. This kit, which is called the Profusion Flawless Luxe Eye Palette, which has all of the shadows and eyeliners and eyeshadow brushes, is $20. So that's still not a bad price for this palette with brushes and eyeliners and an eyebrow pencil and eyeshadow brushes and all that stuff. In this palette, you don't get your blush and your contour and all that stuff, but you know, if you're kind of savvy, you can use an eyeshadow for a blush if you need to, or even for a highlight if you need to. So that is this kit. And like I said on the other ones, this one is cruelty free, and I think on the Profusion website you only have to spend about $25 to get free shipping. So not bad at all. You don't have to spend a lot. So anywho, I just wanted to share these really nice, pretty eyeshadow palettes and eyeshadow kits and boxes from Profusion with you guys, so that you know, you'll have an idea of what's out there. If you're looking for something that's inexpensive that actually is of decent quality, or maybe just some kits to travel with. So that is all I have today for these Profusion kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.